What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you my Classic Army CQB Seal M15A4 rifle. I painted it myself with a custom paint job. Actually, no, my friend Spencer painted this one for me. Yeah, he's really good at painting, as you can see. And I have a dual clip. I have a foregrip, a silencer that can also be made into something that makes the gun a lot louder, and an ACOG sight with 5 different adjustable brightnesses. I'm running a Echo 1 high-speed, high-torque motor. I had the gun rewired. I also beefed up my gearbox to handle any type of batteries. It's LiPo ready currently, and it goes semi and full auto. And I'm running a 5000 mAh battery for it right now, and I have a crane stock, as you can see. It's 5 positions, and it goes back all the way. This is great for CQB. It shoots about 400 plus FPS depending on what battery I put in. So yeah, I think I'm running an M110 spring in here. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you shooting it right now. This does not have a LiPo in it. That's semi, and then full auto. Sorry, I'm filming this with my iPhone, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's one mag. Just gonna reload it really fast. So yeah, so you can see it shoots pretty fast, and I'm gonna show you. It also makes it go louder. What the heck? As you can see, it makes 2 different sounds. Alright, I'm trying to show you the sight. I don't know if you can see it or not. So yeah, that's my gun. It's pretty awesome, and here's my outfit right now. I don't know why I'm using this, but yeah, alright, rate, comment, subscribe. This is like the best gun ever. So thank you guys, bye.